everyone, it's Will here from Resident Evil Central, and the lovely folks over at Numskull have sent me a care package, so let's have a look inside. Right, so I don't actually know what they've sent, so let's have a look. It's open. Right, let's have a look. First things first, let's have a look at what we've got here. So this is the 25th anniversary snapback cap. Let's have a look inside. Can you see that? Let's have a look. It's a really nice quality. It's like ribbed on. It's not actually printed on. It's like I don't even know. It's like a plastic coating on the side. So let's have a look what it looks like on. I say that looks pretty cool. Okay, let's have a look at what else we've got in the box. Let's go digging in. It's the 25th anniversary mug. Now, when I saw this on the website, these look really cool, because normally when you get these kind of like mugs and stuff from the different companies, it's kind of like printed on, but this is actually metal, so it's actually really cool. Feels like it's really weighty, a real quality product. So have a look at it. So obviously you got Mr. Raccoon on there. Then on the back you got, it says Resident Evil 25th anniversary. Very nice indeed. Okay then, I think we've got one more thing inside. And oh, yes. I absolutely love these. I've seen them all over on Numskull all the time. If you have a look. They sent me over a tub. And not just any old tub, it's the tofu one. Let's have a look inside. You can see on the back there. Look at his little face inside. Oh, it's so cool. Let's have a look. So it says, let's have a look on there. Resident Evil. So it's number 0. Ah, so cool. Oh, look at him. That looks absolutely amazing. Like, the attention to detail inside is just... it's just impeccable. It's amazing. Just even the little bits of detail inside. So cool. Now you've got me addicted now. I'm going to have to get all of them now. And there you have it. I want to give a big shout out to the wonderful folks over at Numskull. You have absolutely wonderful products and I can't recommend them enough. I'll see you soon.